Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We specialize in a gentle detergent wash on your roof, your siding, and we specialize in also concrete cleaning, outdoor window cleaning. We're coming out here in Janesville to take a quick look at this roof to decipher what was the best method to get this roof clean. There's 2 to 3 ways to go about roof maintenance, restoration, rejuvenation. We can apply a chemical that's basically similar to wet and forget, but we apply it on way stronger. You get quicker results. Essentially, the shingles will be treated with a concentrated soap that helps prevent any future growth, and over time the rain will wash off the roof. But it's not instant results. It takes time for that process to take place. So that's why we named the package, it's called the Treat, Save, and Wait package down below. And then if you were to want that black streaking gone immediately, we have a chlorine detergent based washing process that's garden hose pressure, safe for pets, plants, and the environment. When we apply that to your shingles, before we put our ladder away and drive away, all that black streaking will be gone. And so the one thing about using chlorine or bleach to clean surfaces, especially if you use it on your hands, and your shingles are made out of essential oils, and the last thing you want to do is slow or shorten the lifespan of your roof, because it will dry out those essential oils that help repel water. So anytime we apply a chlorine-based solution on someone's asphalt shingles, we suggest to do a roof rejuvenation treatment with a soybean oil. It's actually a new product on the market. It's been around for roughly 5 years, and what this product does is it saturates the roof with natural bio oils to help the shingles be able to expand and contract, and it allows the roof to have another 5 years life past its expected lifespan. So with each treatment you get another 5 years. You get a 5-year transferable warranty. We also comb the entire roof with all the leak prone areas and do a roof tune-up. All the plumbing boots will get a new collar over top of them to help the dry rot that'll happen after 7 to 10 years. So depending on the package that meets your needs down below, have us out. We can just do the one side or the whole roof, which makes sense. That way we don't have to worry about coming back again. Because the mold spores that are on the shingles actually jump from one side of the roof to the other so if you don't kill it all and treat the entire roof, that's one thing you have to worry about. So if you look below here, we see this the shingles have got a little bit of this algae, mold, mildew. This is only going to get worse. So we apply our gentle detergent wash and let that dwell. Go ahead and wash it away with no more pressure than a garden hose. Safe and effective for plants, the pets, and the environment, and you don't have to worry about any of this green coming back for another 2 years. When we do a house wash for our clients, we encourage to get the screens pulled and out because all the bugs and spider webs that are behind that screen, when we're rinsing down your windows, we can flush all that nasty gook out of there without the screen trapping it behind it. I did notice one section on your shingles here by the satellite. It's got some lichen and moss starting to develop. What happens there is, and when we treat that with our cleaner, that is actually going to turn yellow or white, which means it's dead. And then we want Mother Nature to take its course and essentially let the sun dry it out, and then the hard rains will wash all that away off your roof naturally, because it's taken years for it to grow roots down into your shingles. So the most effective way that doesn't disturb the aggregate or the granulars in your shingle is to just let the rain wash it away. There's companies out there will just come up here with the power washer, blast it away, and it's all gone. But unfortunately, you're blasting away the aggregate or the granulars that are protecting your asphalt, which is the granulars is basically the sunblock that protects the waterproofing membrane, the natural essential oils that are in the shingles. So we're in the roof maintenance business. Whichever package down below meets your needs, so let me know. This is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Any questions you may have, feel free to call or text me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Left a flyer in your mailbox, so thanks for having us out. Take care.